Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add caption in any language in video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our video. So we are going to add automatic caption in any language in this video. So first you will convert your video into audio online using any tool and then download .srt file, and then we are going to import .srt file in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can use any tool and then you see transcribe file, so click on it and then we are going to upload file. So now we are going to drag and drop file and then you see audio language. So you can select audio language according to requirement. Now select. Now you see Japanese. You see all language here, French, Italian. Now you see. So you can select according to requirement. So we select Italian. And then you see transcribe. So click on it. Now you see converting mode, status. And then we are going to download .srt file. So you can use any online tool and then convert your video into audio in any language. Now done. And then you see three dots, so click on it. Now you see export transcript, so click on it. Now you see multiple format. So we are going to download as export as SRT. Now enable. And then you see maximum word per segment 8. So you can add according to requirement and then click on download. Now exporting. Now click on save. Now download done. Go to Photoshop again and then you see transcript. Now you see caption, so click on it and then you see import caption from file, so click on it. Now you see we have two .srt file, so you can select SRT and then click on OK. Now you see file edit and then you see caption. If you want you can modify this caption. Now and then you see font, so you can change font style. Now you see increase font. Now you see alignment. If you want you can fill color scheme, appearance, stroke, background, so it's up to you. So you can convert your video audio into .srt format and then you can import. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.